Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Intel. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, receiving a score of 3.82. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 14.42% since we first recommended Intel as a buy 13 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.11% since Intel was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as it may react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $44.81, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.8% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -13.28% to 14.80%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 34.9% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 2.47% to 38.45%. This means that the stock price could range from $44.72 to $60.42 after 1 year. Our latest update on Intel brings you an important headline: stronger technical forecast for Intel stock price after Tuesday trading. On the last day, Tuesday, November 21, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a decrease of 2.46%, going from $44.74 to $43.64. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 3.14%, with a low of $43.30 and a high of $44.66. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 12.56% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 36 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.56 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached $44.93, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 2.87% lower than the 52-week high, with a difference of $1.29. Moreover, it is 37.02% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded its rating for Intel to buy. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded its rating for Intel to buy. However, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel to underperform. On the same day, HSBC upgraded its rating for Intel to hold. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS maintained a neutral rating for Intel. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In today's video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Intel stock. The Intel stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of any corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $41.97 and $37.39. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -2.46% so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. However, it's worth mentioning that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a buy signal. Pivots, it's showing a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, it gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, it generated a sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, it provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it signaled a buy 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average, it indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it signaled a buy 164 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently has support from accumulated volume at $43.35. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. It's important to note that this stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the stock's Bollinger Band suggests a large prediction interval, further emphasizing the high-risk nature of this stock. Looking at its recent performance, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $1.36, or 3.14%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, it has shown a daily average volatility of 3.63%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio suggests that the company is either generating negative earnings or experiencing financial losses. It's not uncommon for established companies to face downturns due to various external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.420. It's crucial to keep a close eye on these figures, as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $43.81. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to breach this level. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could present a potential entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 35,135 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 17,420 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 35,135 shares of restricted stock units. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 6,502 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider sell of 3,224 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -32.021. Overall, insiders purchased 39,552,483 shares and sold 77,326,320 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $41.71, which is a decrease of 4.41%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a higher level of risk. The RSI 14, a measure of relative strength, is currently at 76, indicating a substantial increase in risk. In addition, a sell signal from a pivot top was identified just 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals indicating a potential buying opportunity for Intel stock in the short term. We have upgraded our evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, adding to the potential attractiveness of this stock. Looking ahead to Wednesday, November 22, we anticipate Intel opening up $0.227 and commencing trading at $43.87. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to present our current view of the stock, and we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below and share your own insights. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Your engagement means a lot to us, so remember to like and subscribe. We genuinely hope you find success in your trading endeavors, and we wish you a fantastic day from all of us here at StockInvest.